So what's up guys? Welcome back sa Andrea Judge TV. Guys, for today's video, since malapit na mag-Halloween or November, malapit na mag-November 1, magsisimula na tayo mag-ayos or mag-decorate ng mga Halloween decorations sa harap ng bahay natin. So, we just started yung pagde-decorate ng Halloween stuff last year, kasi last year lang naman kami nakabili ng bahay o nakakuha ng bahay. And ayan, last year, so nag-decorate kami. Ewan ko mapakita ko yung photos dito, pero ayan. And yeah, so mostly meron na kami mga pang-decorate and nasa basement lang siya. And ayun, kukunin lang natin sa basement and then start na natin setup. And meron akong katulong or meron akong kasamang mag-decorate ng Halloween decorations sa harap ng bahay namin. Walang iba kundi si Ate Tiffany! Let's go! Ayan, so dalawa kami ni Tiffany mag-aayos ngayon ng Halloween decoration. So say hi sa mga subscriber natin.
Hello!
Yeah, it's been a while since nung magkasama kami mag-vlog ni Tiffany. Actually, may mga vlog kami nung toddler pa siya. Ay, toddler ka ba, no? Preschooler. Yeah, what? First grader, yeah. So, may mga vlog kami. Ayan, guys, panoorin nyo. Ayan, hindi pa kami marunong mag-vlog niyan, guys. So, lagi kong kasama si Tiffany mag-vlog. And ngayon ko lang ulit na uto na mag-vlog ulit. Right, ate?
Right.
Yeah, so samahan nyo kami mag-decorate. And update na lang namin kayo later. See ya! Ayan guys, so pababa na kami sa basement. Kukunin lang namin yung mga boxes. Right, ate?
Right.
So, ayan. Tulog pa si Klein. And si Andrea umalis. So, ayan. Yun. Dito tayo ngayon sa basement. Oh, it's been a while. Tagal ko lang din nagbaba ng basement, ah. Ayan. Yeah. Are you okay? Ayan. So, buksan lang natin yung ilaw, guys. Para at least, makita natin kung nasan ba nakalagay yung mga bagay-bagay. So, ate, hold this one.
Hi, guys.
Alright. So, guys, hanapin lang natin dito, no? May nalagay ba nakasulat yan? This is Christmas. Right?
I think it's this one.
This one?
This one.
Let's see, guys. No? Alright.
Happy birthday. It's Clinklin's birthday soon.
November?
November.
No, this is plates. No. Let's go get something. Let's put it down. So guys, no, medyo nakatambak dito. So titingnan natin kung nasa nakalagay. Ano pa dito?
It's my money.
It's your money? Claire had some piggyback there, guys. This is Christmas.
No.
Yeah. Okay.
How about we check in here?
Okay. Wait.
Look at our basement, guys.
Oh, look.
It's Levi.
Yeah, I'll get F19 there. Right. Remove. Might need this later.
What is that?
It's a light bulb. Oh, what's that? Maganda ba yung kuha mo?
Okay. Sorry.
Parang di ko makita. It's fine, just lagyan mo.
Oh, okay. I don't think it's here. Dad, I think I see
Where's it?
a monster.
What? stuff? What's this?
Party stuffs.
Oh my God! Wow! Okay.
Cut!
Clean that up. Cut mo muna.
I'll put it on the billiard table.
Ha?
Oh gosh.
Wait.
You need me to put this down?
Yeah.
Okay, bye guys.
So ayan guys, nakuha na namin. Ayan oh. Yun yung witch oh. Ayan, saka to. Saka meron pa kami dito yung parang clown. Ayan. So i-assemble na namin guys. Yan, kasama namin si Claire. Ayan. So anong gusto mo sa natin ilalagay, Claire? Over there. Okay. Yan, siguro ano, yan. Lalagay na namin isa-isa guys and update na lang later. See ya. Bye.
Guys, so we just finished decorating. You guys wanna?
We got this.
Yeah. So we got that.
We got the witch. The pumpkin. Yeah.
Thing here.
And then yun si ano.
Yeah.
Yung clown, balak namin ilagay ito sa CR guys doon.
Yeah.
Para kunwari nakasilip siya doon.
Yeah.
So,
It's
ayan.
not that much decoration.
Oh! It's
Wayne.
Clean is awake. Let's see. Lane. Let's go.
Come on. He's scared of the decoration.
Oh, he's scared. Uh-oh. Oh no. Natatakot siya guys. Ayan. So, natatakot siya guys sa decoration, no? So, ayan guys. Tapos na kami mag-decorate. Quick vlog lang yung ginawa namin. Yeah, gusto ko lang i-document yung pag-decorate namin. Actually, hindi naman ganun karami yung Halloween decoration namin. Meron lang kaming witch and yung pumpkin and then itong clown. And then meron lang kami nakasabit dito sa puno. Ayan. Usually umiilaw yan sa gabi. So, yeah, and then meron lang kami parang spotlight doon na may parang mga ghost na lumilipad. So, ayan. Medyo natatakot si Klein sa ano namin, mga decoration namin. Kaya ayaw lumabas. Pero gising na siya, guys. So, ayan. Ayan si ate, oh. Ano ate? Oh, Gang, you scared? Huh? Are you scared? Let's go. Come on, let's see. Let's go out. Let's go out. Say hi first. Say hi. Hi. He just woke up, guys.
Put on your socks,
So, yeah, labas kami ngayong hapon. Alright? You want a bike?
Wanna take a walk?
Yeah, let's go. Get me yung bike. So, ayan guys, update na lang later.
Alright, change of plans, guys. We're not putting the clown in the bathroom anymore because Clinkling's scared. So, we're putting it outside.
Yeah. Pero may kulang tayo, be.
Huh?
Isang paa.
There's no other foot?
Yeah. Wala dito. Ano no? That's okay.
I mean, it's gonna make it more scarier.
Yeah.
Just hide him behind the pumpkin.
Uh-huh.
So here my dad is putting on the clown. Right, can I edit this vlog too since I'm in it?
Yeah.
Yay!
Okay. So yun guys, na-assemble natin yung clown, no? Alright. Okay. And then, let's see.
Let's dress it. It's naked.
Oh. think this one needs to be go first. Right?
What?
I think this one goes first.
Alright.
Alright, bye muna.
Bye. Okay. Bye, guys.
So ayan guys, yan. Tapos na kami mag-ayos ni Claire. Medyo madilim na. Open yung garage. So ayan, doon namin sinet up yung clown and yung witch. Hindi ko na nilagay sa bintana guys kasi medyo natatakot si Claire. Ay, si Clayne. So nilagay na lang namin dyan kung saan nakalagay dati. Ayan yan, may mga pailaw na. Ayan, may ilaw din doon. So sa gabi, okay yan guys. Medyo mas maganda kung madilim. And then ito yung isa. Ayan, pahangin-hangin siya dyan. So yan. Yan lang yung mga Halloween decoration namin. So ayan guys, siguro i-vlog ko pag nag-trick or treat kasi wala pa akong vlog na nag-trick or treat kami nila Claire dahil di pa kami nagsisimula mag-vlog. Pero ayun, tatry ko pakita sa inyo. So nagsisimula na October na, 1 month na lang mag-Halloween na. And syempre after this mga Halloween decoration is mga naman, Christmas decoration naman. So yan, quick vlog lang yun guys. Gusto ko lang i-document na ayun, mga decoration namin ni Claire during Halloween. And ayan, siguro till next vlog na lang guys. Thank you nga pala sa lahat ng nag-subscribe sa amin. Currently is 1,522 na ata tayo guys. Maraming salamat guys kasi yun, na-hit natin yung goal natin na 1,500. And ayun, again, maraming salamat sa suporta guys. Kundi dahil sa inyo, yung Andrea Judge TV, hindi kami tulong or hindi kami makakagawa ng mga videos dahil syempre mas masaya kung may nanonood sa iyo or kung may mga tao, mga subscriber na sumusuporta sa inyo. So ayan, we're still gonna do nursing vlogs, Buhay America vlogs like mga ganito, simpleng vlog na ganito, and syempre mga travel vlogs. Ayan, so abangan nyo guys. Maraming salamat guys. Siguro dito ko natatapusin yung vlog. And si Claire pumasok na sa loob. Medyo lumalamig na kasi, pero para sa akin okay kasi nasa 70s lang naman eh. So nagchichill lang ako dito sa harap ng bahay. Ayan. So ayan, update ko na lang kayo sa susunod na vlog. And yeah, ingat kayo parati and God bless. Peace.